Looking for a smart wearable that can remember conversations, organize your ideas, and act like a personal AI assistant? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Bee AI wearable to see what it offers, how it works, and whether it's worth your money. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Bee AI Wearable Pioneer, wristband, clip, quick start guide. Product overview. The Bee AI Wearable features a multifunction action button for easy control. Press it once to mute or unmute the microphone, press and hold to start chatting with your Bee, or double press to perform a custom action set in the Bee app. If you ever need to reset the device, simply press the button 5 times rapidly. Indicators. The LED indicator lets you know your Bee AI wearable status at a glance. A solid blue and green light means it's ready to pair, while a flashing blue light indicates it's disconnected from your phone. A red light shows the microphone is muted, and a green light means the device is charging. If the LED flashes red 3 times, the battery is running low and it's time to recharge. How to pair. Download the Bee AI app from the App Store or Google Play, then sign in or create a Bee account. Make sure Bluetooth permissions are enabled to allow the app to detect and connect to your wearable. Power on your Bee AI wearable and enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. In the Bee app, tap Add Device, select your wearable from the list, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. After pairing is complete, install any available firmware updates, customize your settings and preferences, and allow the AI to begin capturing conversations, creating summaries, and generating smart reminders. How to charge. Connect the included USB-C charging cable to the Bee AI wearable and plug the other end into a compatible 5-volt USB power source. The LED indicator displays the charging status while the device is charging. A full charge takes approximately 2 hours and provides up to 7 days of typical use, depending on your usage patterns. Smart features. Automatically records and summarizes conversations, helping you remember important discussions, meeting highlights, key decisions, and personal ideas without taking manual notes. Review everything later with clear, AI-generated summaries. Identifies tasks and follow-ups from your conversations, then turns them into reminders, to-do lists, and actionable insights. This helps you stay organized and ensures nothing important is overlooked. Interact naturally using voice commands to capture ideas, ask questions, and retrieve information hands-free. The AI assistant provides quick, intelligent responses while keeping you focused on your day. Its compact and lightweight design is comfortable enough for all-day wear, while the long-lasting battery keeps your AI companion ready whenever you need it, whether at work, home, or on the go. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.